Okay, Fire Escape Academy inspector training video here in Portland, Oregon, and we've got we're doing across the street fire escape inspections on typical fire escape. You got we actually have two inspectors, Pete and John here from firefighters, and more paint than rust or more rust than paint across the street?
More paint than rust.
Very good. So I've got no deterioration violation, and only if I want to get closer can I find something. So from across the street, is there any way to see whether or not it's got square head bolts anywhere, or can't tell? How about any evidence on the fire escape cement itself of tearing, showing that the water's been penetrating? Okay, so the only thing you can do with this fire escape right now is to ask them for their maintenance records. If we ask them for their maintenance records, we can find out whether or not there's been any maintenance done to it. Otherwise, now you happen to be walking underneath it. The next easiest one to find is what? What kind of bolts?
Square head.
You finding any? On the supports. Where the supports meet the nose.
Oh yeah, I do see.
Any squares?
Yep, right where the scrolls are.
So we got some squares. How about any tearing in the wall? Now that you're closer, any tearing in the wall on the supports?
Yeah, not more than water down.
These rusty tears, is that evidence that the water's penetrating?
Yeah, let's get to the metal.
Good.
Do that in order.
Let's look for a lap joint on the rails that killed the firemen, on the lattice that you guys would use. Very intricate grading, that's casting. Okay, not typical. Okay, so this is a very old type of building, and so but you found cement issues, and you found tearing of the cement, and you found some square head bolts. Any evidence that this fire escape has ever been refurbished in its lifetime?
No, I would think so.
So you can't write a deterioration violation, but can you write a repair, paint, and test violation on this?
Yeah.
All because you identified what kind of bolts.
Square head bolts.
Now looking further, you see some evidence of rust in some of the joint areas, especially on the grading here. Okay, you don't even have to find those things, but that's afterwards. You get sharper and sharper, but it needs paint or it needs repair. Those are my only two violations. Any life safety issues here?
No.
Okay.